Yeah, we're looking good. Let's see. We never heard one of these before. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're headed out to cruise with some car friends, and we're gonna meet up with like a lot of cars. I actually don't know who's coming anymore, so it's gonna be quite the variety, that's for sure. That's always kind of the fun of it though, you know, you never know. You get surprised sometimes, good turnouts, but we have a nice little path that we're gonna take. So you should see a lot of driving in this vlog. I do know for sure we're gonna meet up with my friend Mohammed with a cool 135 IBMW. He just got it wrapped a cool color, so I can't wait to show you guys that. Car looks so good right now, drives so good right now. What up, brother? How you doing? Brother? Oh, I got you. That's cool, that's cool. Dude, yeah, last time I saw it, it was at night. Now it'd be hitting. You could definitely see all the sparkle.
I got a car wash yesterday and it's already dusty, man. That sucks.
No, I feel you. I got mine fully detailed and I can't wash it for a couple of days, so it's got like a little coating on it, but it's not bad. Probably comes up on here though.
Yeah, all the tree sap and all the pollen coming down.
Yeah, right. I like the mirrors. It'd be like that over there.
Yeah, it'd be like that.
This one looks great.
This one looks great. Yeah, it's good from this side.
Shh, it's fine. It's fine.
From 10 feet away, it looks fantastic.
Anything on the inside?
Not really.
Just OEM. Well, at least it's really clean though.
Yeah.
Dude, that's really nice.
Not detailed, but like clean inside.
For sure, yeah. You want to tell the guys what you got done to it or anything?
Yeah, it's a full stage 2 plus.
Cool.
Has intake, charge pipe. All the inlets are changed out from plastic to metal. Coils, spark plugs, the catless downpipe, and a bigger intercooler.
Very nice, very nice.
And M Sport exhaust.
And you'll definitely be hearing it. It makes all the good noises. I already heard it, so you guys will be hearing it on camera for the first time. But yeah, we're looking good. Let's see. Thing sounds crazy, dude. Look at this view, guys. Holy. It looks so good out. Beautiful weather. We're gonna have a nice cruise. It's gonna be nice. All right.
What's up, man?
What up? How you doing? Nice to see you.
Man.
Yeah,
Dude,
of course. Thanks for having us.
How was the ride here?
Dude, it was good. You had to stop for some corn real quick. Little detour, no big deal, you know?
My buddy, he's upstairs right now with his LC500. He's coming down.
Wow, guys. I'm waiting to meet him for a minute. He's got a V2 Nismo. But I think the coolest part about it, he's got the Army Tricks test pipes and full cat pack. Oh, you got the burnt tips, bro? Oh, okay. I couldn't tell from back there. Okay, the V2 is kind of hitting hard, but no lie, they look good next to each other. That's nice. Look at this beautiful sunset. I need those Recaros. Is your door open? Is your door open? I just want to look at the Recaros. Dude, I need these seats, bro. You got to see them. Yeah, boys. The V2 Nismo. Way nicer interior. Yeah, your interior is nicer. That's for sure. You're ruining my clip. Come on. God, look at this paint, guys. We gotta get the last little bit of sunlight we have. This is crazy. It looks nuts. We never heard one of these before. Oh my God, it's way louder than I thought. Yeah, we got a pretty cool little lineup here. Got a couple more boys that showed up. Supercharged, pro-charged, 5.0 on slicks in the back, bro. All right. This is gonna be nuts. everybody. We just got to Streets of Woodfield. That was some fun cruising. Shout out, good runs, my boy. All right, I think we're gonna head to Strats to close up the night. So we got all the guys here. Bud. I don't know, I might have got a slight jump on you though, but it's kind of the same thing, bro. I don't know, I got retuned too, so it's all fair, you know? Check out that C8 right there. Look familiar? We back at Strats, everybody. Got Pat behind us. A packed ass lot. We're not gonna find parking, you already know. Ooh. Ooh. G82. I love it. There's always so many people right up here. I guarantee someone's gonna say do something stupid, but I'm gonna be respectful. There's police over there. Here they are. This is what a clean Type S looks like, bro. Someone, dude, yeah, the turning radius on these is not good. I'll say that. No, terrible, terrible. I love the depots on the side, bro. Type S gang, bro. I love him. Oh, he's got underglow. I just noticed that. Oh, that thing's got some pickup, bro. Yeah, so here we are. I don't know how long I'm gonna stay here because I don't know if they're gonna give us tickets over there, but I'll get you guys a little more footage. Yo, before I get out of here, I had to show you that real quick. That's sick starlight roof and the taillights. That's sick. Is that your TL? Yeah. I got a TL Type S as well. That's my my not so modified car for the daily, you know, but I like that a lot, dude. The starlight on the trunk is like extra, bro. That's sick.
I did all the work.
You did? Dude, good for you, bro. I love it. Have a good night. You got it. Yeah, dude, that was lit. Good for him for doing all that work. I didn't even know you can get hood and fenders like that. So that's super raw, but yeah, we're gonna head out now. Peace out, Strats. Thank you everyone for watching. I appreciate you as always. Might get you a couple outro clips, you know, the usual. I can't even speak. That's how it is on camera. Forget something, boys. It's usually TC, wrong map. It'd be like that. I was just here last video. You guys ready? Peace out, bro. Have a good one. And that's it. Oh, police. We're by ourselves now. I appreciate you guys as always for watching. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and check out all my other videos. I got a whole collage of them. All of them have updated titles and thumbnails by now. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video as much as I did. Excited to get back home and edit it. The Z went undefeated tonight. Well, basically, we'll count the ties. But I'm impressed by how well we kept up with the C8. The BMW is door to door. Me and Pat are door to door, of course. We're never gonna figure out who's faster. But yeah, not bad for a full bolt-on Z, huh? And by the way, you guys have probably noticed by now the flashing airbag light. That just happened a few days ago. I don't know. I heard it's the passenger one gets bad on these, so we'll get that taken care of ASAP. And until next time, I'll catch you guys all in the next video.